Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel voidlooprobotech and Automation. Today we are diving into an exciting project, how to create and run multiple tasks on an Arduino using FreeRTOS. Let us get started step by step. Here is what we are working with, an Arduino Nano, 3 LEDs, red, green and blue, 3 220 ohm resistors. Let us connect the pin. The anode pin of red LED is connected to GPIO 10 of Arduino Nano. The green LEDs goes to GPIO 11 and blue LED connect to GPIO 12. Alright, that is our hardware setup. Now let's move to the software part. Open the Arduino IDE, go to the library manager and search FreeRTOS. These are search result. Click over here to install. You can see library is installing. Okay, library has been installed. Now let us write the code. First include FreeRTOS header file has include arduino_freertos.h. Then define the LED pin based on our circuit diagram. Has defined RLED 10, has defined GLED 11, has defined BLED 12. Now in the setup function, let us create 3 tasks using xTaskCreate. xTaskCreate VRedLED task. This is the function that is control the red LED. Red LED controller in double quote. This is the function name for debugging purpose. 100 is stack size. In word you can say 200 byte. In null there is no parameter and priority is 1 and there is no handle required, so it is null. Now just copy and paste this line for the green and blue LED task and edit their function name accordingly. Now let us define the task function for the red LED, void VRedLED task, and argument is void star PV parameters. Okay, set the RLED pin as output. So call the pin mode function and output. Okay. Now create an infinite loop and inside the loop toggle the red LED, digital write RLED, digital read RLED. And don't forget not operator here. And put here delay for 100 millisecond. VTask delay 100/4tick_ms. Okay. Now red LED task function is ready. Now copy this function and paste it twice. Then edit it for green and blue LEDs by replacing the pin's name. Don't forget to declare the task function above the setup function. Rename it for red, green and blue LED task function. Alright. Now code is ready. It is time to build and upload the code. So first of all go to tools and select the board. I am using Arduino Nano and select the correct COM port for your board. Most important thing is processor. Select the 8MEGA328P with old bootloader, right? Now click on upload. There is an error. Let us fix it. It looks like I missed a comma between 1 and null. Let us fix that quickly. Alright, hit the upload button again. Yes, the code has been uploaded. And all 3 LEDs are blinking because the tasks are running simultaneously with FreeRTOS. And that's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this project on multitasking with FreeRTOS and Arduino. If you found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one.